There is a new member in Isha's family, her cat. Isha named her cat Katie. Isha plays with her, feeds her, and even puts her to bed. Isha loves to watch Katie jump from tables to chairs and from the window to the floor. While jumping, she uses her hind limbs to push the edge of the table. This push is strong and very quick. The next moment, Katie's on the chair. All species of cats are hunters. They need to jump with great strength and speed. This can only happen if the push they get from the surface is also strong. By now, we know that force is equal to the change of momentum divided by time. With her strong hind limbs, the cat pushes back against the table and instantly leaps. This means that the transition from zero momentum to a large momentum happens in very little time. A large change in momentum and very little time imply great force. Cats have strong hind limbs. Without this strength, they would not be able to jump fast, making hunting impossible. But unlike the hind limbs, their forelimbs are remarkably softer. They help her to land quietly. This is critical for her to catch her prey. When the forelimbs first touch the surface of the table, her entire body is still moving through the air. The momentum of the jump acts entirely on her forelimbs, which are now holding still on the chair. The forelimbs of a cat are flexible enough that they absorb the impact. That's why Katie doesn't bounce like a ball on landing. The time taken for landing also increases. Due to this, the momentum changes from a large value to zero slowly. The change in momentum is large, but the time taken is also large. Hence, the force of impact is reduced. Because of this, the cat can still maintain her standing posture and focus on her prey. Isha has now learned how biology and physics are closely linked. Physics is interesting, but when you observe it in everyday life, it's absolutely magical, isn't it? See you next time.